Alrighty, in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to wirelessly connect either a mobile device or your computer to the projector to wirelessly stream a video or just watching a game on the screen. This can be done through, there are two apps that they have. They have ScreenShare, which is for iOS and Mac. And they also have an app called Screencast, which is for Android and Windows. And so first off, when you first boot up the screen, you'll need to come over here to this little grid icon right here, this blue and red and purple icon. When you click on this, initially you will only have these apps. You have App Assistant, Screencast, Home Share, and Bluetooth speaker. Screencast again is the one that's used for the Android and Windows devices. In order to install the one for iOS, you'll need to come over here to App Assistant. It'll then bring up some apps that you can download. The first one being the ScreenShare, which is the one that we're looking for. So we're going to go ahead and start downloading that. And we will reboot as well. And we'll give it just a second to reboot. Luckily, it does not take that long for it to complete that reboot. As you can see, I do have the projector over here at an angle, and so it will take a moment for it to readjust the positioning using that AI software that it has. And I brought it back over here. Alrighty, so we're going to come back over here to this screen, and we're going to go over here to ScreenShare. It does have the example of what you will need to do, and so let me just connect my iPad real quick to the screen. It will, if you do have other devices that you use for ScreenShare, for example, with an iOS device, you may have an Apple TV that you connect to, so you may see those on the same network. For me, it's displaying the projector as M10, and so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Give it just a moment. And then now it is mirroring what I am looking at on here. And right now I do have the volume set to 15. And so we'll go ahead and we'll just play a little clip of this video. That way you can kind of see the quality with doing a mirror screen share. I will say, compared to when I filmed an earlier video when playing a YouTube video directly from the projector, the audio is a lot lower, and that could be something with my iPad. I will test this later with my iPhone to see if it's a little bit different. But I did have the volume turned up all the way on my iPad, and I had to, like you saw on the screen, turn up my volume to about 26 to hear it a little bit better. But in comparison to other apps built into the projector, it was a lot lower of sound quality. In a later video, I will be testing connecting an HDMI cable directly to a mobile device using an HDMI splitter cable to showcase that quality. But hopefully that helps kind of demonstrate how you would get connected, and then the quality that you may expect as well when connecting through an AirPlay service.